In an ideal world, we would all be having fantastic sex with even more incredible orgasms. Orgasms that leave you and your partner shaking. But what happens if you can't get there? What do you do if your penis does not get hard enough, if you cannot hold an erection for long, or can you not get yourself going when you need to? The answer is simple: use Male Extra. Male Extra is a sexual enhancing supplement for men. It has been truly tried and tested with hundreds of testimonials to back it up. It is made of all organic ingredients that are well known for their abilities to improve sexual health. Right on the cover of Male Extra, you will see it promising the following. 1. A unique formula not found in other products. 2. Gives your bigger erections, more stamina, and more erections. 3. Maximum ingredient amounts for fast and effective results. 4. 100% safe, natural ingredients backed by multiple studies. Now I know what you are thinking: these are things that all these products promise, but they all end up disappointing. I understand your skepticism, and I am here to put your mind at ease. Let us look at what makes Male Extra the product that stands out from the rest. Male Extra ingredients. As mentioned above, Male Extra uses all natural ingredients. These ingredients are chosen specifically for their abilities to improve men's sexual health. One of the ingredients that stand out is the pomegranate ellagic and L-Arginine Hcl. These two are the best ingredients you can find for enhancing your libido and powerful, erection-boosting properties, and they are used by none other than Male Extra to ensure you get the best product for your money. Another strong point for Male Extra is that it uses 5 ingredients out of the 7 unique to it. No other supplements use them. These ingredients have been tested with more than 20 years going into their research to make it all better. Due to the natural ingredients found in the product, you can expect all good results with no side effects. The ingredients used include pomegranate 40% ellagic acid. Ellagic acid is an antioxidant found in fruits, with a high concentration in pomegranates. Its benefit is that it increases blood flow to the penis, giving you fuller and thicker erections and generally improving your sexual performance. L-Arginine Hcl. This is a product that should naturally be made in your body. As it is sometimes not so, Male Extra has gone the extra mile to add it to its ingredients. L-Arginine Hcl works by increasing your libido and your overall sexual experience. It comes from dairy products and meats, so you can be sure it is natural. Cordyceps. Cordyceps is a natural fungus used in Chinese medicine. It has 2 chemicals, deoxyadenosine and cordycepic acid, that affects the part of the brain responsible for sexual desire. This ingredient will work to improve your sex drive and your erections. Now, these are just 3 out of the 7 ingredients that make up Male Extra. You can find more of the ingredients and find out whether Male Extra work on our website. How Male Extra works. Since we have already looked at the all-natural ingredients found in Male Extra, we know just how powerful they can be in increasing the libido and the size and duration of erections. But how exactly does Male Extra use this powerful combination of ingredients to get the work done? It is done by increasing nitric oxide levels in your blood. Nitric oxide is another natural ingredient found in the list. Nitric oxide relaxes your blood vessels, leading to an increased blood flow to your penis. The increased blood flow ensures you have a full and thick erection that gives you powerful and intense orgasms. The improved blood flow also helps you have sex for longer, improving your stamina and libido. The widened and relaxed blood vessels bring about better blood flow, allowing more nutrients and more oxygen delivery to your cells. This delivery delays fatigue caused by physical activity, which means your partner and yourself can have better sex for longer, with no worries about getting tired quickly. Male Extra also gives you a heightened sex drive and ensures improved performance. The combination of ingredients found in the supplement work together to boost your libido, ensuring you can get turned on anytime you want. The ingredients also supply you with the stamina needed to make you more than the 1-minute man. Now, who wouldn't enjoy hard erections, pleasurable and powerful orgasms, or the increased performance that allows you to have great sex for longer? How to use Male Extra. I want to start by mentioning that your general health practices go a long way in bettering your sex life. Male Extra is a supplement, which means you will also need to eat a balanced diet. General improvement in your health and eating habits go a long way to ensure you have a wonderful sex life, and adding Male Extra to the mixture takes your sex life to whole new levels. Now, let's turn to how to use Male Extra. It is simple, just take 3 capsules a day with your meals. This supplement is fast-acting, and you can see an improvement in 30 days. Some users even talk about progress in less than that time. The correct dosage ensures that you get the required buildup of ingredients, which leads to getting better results in a few weeks. You will start getting harder and stronger erections with better orgasms. To get the supplement's full impact, you will have to continue taking Male Extra to ensure the ingredients don't disappear from your system. Does Male Extra work? Now that we are in the end, I think we can all agree that Male Extra does work. This fact is proven by more than 20 years of research, customer satisfaction, and the all-natural ingredients that go into Male Extra's making. But don't just trust me, buy yourself, or for your partner, the Male Extra supplements and see the results for yourself. There is 100 days money-back guarantee in case things go wrong, which they won't. The money-back guarantee goes to show how secure the company is with their product. Buy Male Extra today and enjoy bigger and longer-lasting erections and get the best sex of your life. For more information, visit our site, The Male Libido, link in the description.